Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Don't see many of these, especially not one lady owner cars in this condition. 83,000 miles, mega service history, cam belt and water pump replaced at 78,000 miles. Lovely is that carnelian red metallic, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This car has got hazel brown leather, Harman Kardon hi-fi. This is four-wheel drive, automatic 2.4 D4, sorry, 2-litre D4 SE Nav, automatic Euro 6 stop-start. So Volvo XC70 2-litre D4 SE Nav, Eartronic automatic Euro 6 stop-start. Front fogs, daytime running lights built into the front fog lamps, front park sensors, headlamp washers, lovely. I think it's like a carnelian red metallic. You can see it's got the cross climate Michelin tyres all round. It's always a good sign. Mega history, 83,000 miles, cam belt done at 79. Lots and lots and lots of services and paperwork with this car. One lady owner from new, beautifully well looked after. 11,995. There we go. Michelin cross climate. Beautiful bodywork, loads of tread on those tyres, not stone chipped, hazel brown leather, I do like that as well, very unusual. Freezing cold, open the door, feel that cool air conditioned air coming out of the car, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, stop start, Euro 6, ULEZ compliant, four-wheel drive. What a beautiful thing this is. Very smart. Really tough car, these. Drive so well. Last a long time. Tow well too. This car hasn't got a tow bar. Has got a power tailgate. Really big boot. It's a space saver spare wheel under there, space saver spare wheel, jack, toolkit, wheel brace, alloy wheel locking key, all present and correct, electric tailgate. It's a lovely thing, condition. You can tell it's one lady owner, unmarked, absolutely. Another Michelin cross climate tyre. 4 matching premium tyres. Can't find a mark on this car. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, heated seats, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. There's the sat nav on the screen. Front and rear park, ULEZ compliant, lovely stitching in that hazel leather. Nice spec car, one lady owner, beautiful condition, 11,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website, to look at our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to YouTube, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you.